Kana Wilson Bagonza ahireyo kuhigoko obwabeira ry'omujenyi mukuru aha mukoro gw'okukingaho empaka za inter-unit rifle competition. Empaka ezi zikoreirwe Fort Samora Marshal UPDF Special Forces Training School Kaweweta.
And perhaps what we are doing is preservation of freedom. The freedom ushered to us by our freedom fighters, headed by our dear President, His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda. They ushered in this kind of freedom we're enjoying, and we are training to further preserve that kind of freedom.
Ogu abeira jweteire omuduumizi w'ihuriro SFC Major General David Mugisha. Kana Bagonza ashoborera abasirikare aba omugasho oguryo mu kutendekwa hamwe no kwetaba mu mpaka nkezi agomuze ngo nicongera ahabukugu bwabo hamwe no kunyweza eby'emice. Ogu asimire Commander in Chief wa UPDF General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abo kurebera hare kuretaho obusingye mu mahanga g'ekyanga echa Africa.
All of Uganda. So I thank the Commander in Chief for initiating this kind of training, which is pro people force that has ushered that kind of peace environment, not only in Uganda but even beyond in the fraternal East African countries. So UPDF, we are lucky to have been part of that journey of transferring peace to our sisters and brothers.
And encourage training within the units and send soldiers at all times where training requires of them. A trained soldier is a multiplier effect, is a force multiplier rather. So you may have numbers, but if they don't know what to do, you may not see the benefit of those numbers.
Abasinzure empaka ezi bahirwe birabo hebeire birumu ebukopo kandi abazetabiremu basimire habwo bukugu bwahiguru obuboretsere kandi bashabirwe okuboreka okukuma obusingye. Gashakwa Abdukarim Sengendo.